Hey guys, today we are in Mercedes-Benz W204. This is Mercedes C-Class, and I'm going to show you a cool little feature. Most likely it's described in the user manual, but still I'm going to show you this on this video. So if you happen to drive your car, you have your windows open and your sunroof is tilted, but for some reason you want to close them. For example, there's a traffic jam in front of you and there's a lot of smoke from an old bus or something, and you are going through a tunnel and you want those all windows and your sunroof to be closed. Just press and hold on the air recirculation button over here. Keep it pressed, and your window and your sunroof will close. And once you are out from this tunnel, or the traffic jam is over, or the smelly bus is no longer in front of you, just press and hold this button again, and both your sunroof and your windows will go back to the same position as before. So it will memorize the setup of your windows in your car, and with press and hold of this button you can just go back to closed and go back to your custom open setup. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Hope that you like this quick little tutorial about Mercedes-Benz, and subscribe for future ones. See you soon.